It often happens in game you are creating. An event needs to happen a certain number of times in a certain period of time. For example, character shoots a certain number of bullets, or an object gets produced a certain number of times in a certain period of time. For example, I wanna produce this object in each half second until its count reaches 10. Best way to implement this is to use while loop. In first step, we need to define an IEnumerator with any desired name. Then define an integer called, for example, counter. In IEnumerator, write while counter was bigger than 0. And in braces write yield return new wait for seconds, in parentheses a time, for example half seconds. This while means as the counter integer was bigger than 0, each half second any command you wrote in this while will execute. And after it, we have to subtract one number from the counter. At last, when counter number becomes 0, any command you write after while will execute. For example, I write println. Now, for example, we wanna produce an object. So write instantiate command in it. To enable while, we only need to call IEnumerator once. And set counter number to the number of times you want a while to run. For example, 5. Let's test. Now by pressing play, each half seconds an object produces, and when its number reaches 5, end command gets printed. Let's do another sample. For example, equal counter number with 20 and make its time 0.1. Now each 1/10 second, one object should be produced. At last, using while is so important, and you should be careful not to call it somewhere like update function. Hope you all have a great day. Goodbye for now.